Welcome back to another video. Guess who's back? And my fam. And I'm about to pass out.
Bruh.
What? Welcome back, guys. What's up? I don't know what Loren just said just now. What did you just say?
And I'm about to pass out.
Oh, she said she's about to pass out. She's starving. It's almost 8 o'clock at night. Okay, when we're eating. So let's wait a second. Hit it.
Thank you for watching. We big off everything. Amen. Let's
Amen.
go.
Wow. She's starving. When she's hungry, she's hungry. Okay. So today we are eating some footprints. So Loren has some fish fingers. Zalin have what do you have?
Curry, what's it called?
Roti.
Roti.
Shrimp roti. And I have some coconut shrimp.
And I have some fish fingers.
It looks like they burned it a little bit though. I'll show you one.
That's not enough.
You burnt my shrimp? Yo, she's always burning something. She's always. I'm here blaming.
That's flavor.
I'm here blaming it on the folks, and she burnt it. She
That's
put it.
flavor.
She put it in the oven to reheat it. Okay, and I look. Burnt. This is not flavor. Burnt is not flavor. Okay, burnt is burnt. No, it ain't. I love sorrow. So you just really burnt my shrimp. Oh my god.
Why are you taking off the burnt pieces? Those are good.
Oh my god.
What's great? Good.
What y'all up to today?
Eating.
We are eating late. I feel like we're always eating late when we're doing videos. This is the shrimp. Coconut shrimp. Look how big that is.
Oh yes, I love this.
Oh,
Oh my god.
yeah. Oh yeah.
Nobody get one fish finger. Nobody.
Look at that steam coming out of that. That's Lee's fish fingers.
Nobody touch it.
It looks like a chicken finger. Let me try it. Oh, look at that steam. That steam. It's good. I have some plantain. No.
It's a thin piece.
My plantain looking real dry. It's like a freaking plantain chip that you're getting in the bag. It's looking real dry. Listen. Did they give you how many shrimp? 6 pieces of shrimp. I got some
More than 5.
rice and peas. Another piece of dry plantain. But it's okay. Let's try this. That's flavorful. You want some roti bread?
Wait, how does it taste?
Okay.
Now they good.
Let me try this tartar sauce.
It's a little bit more dry than other bread.
All tartar sauce is not created equal. I've realized that over the years.
Oh, they're massive. I was surprised to see the oxtail is more expensive than, no, it's less expensive than this one.
Really? Give y'all a bite.
Normally oxtail is expensive.
No, I'm not giving you all a bite because you're gonna wait my food.
Wow. Who's stingy?
Fine, y'all, I'm giving you a bite. Okay, here. Fine, take it.
She real stingy.
Wait, now you just ate all my fingers.
It's so good. Yeah. We just grabbing today, honey. I don't even know if I want to talk. It's so good. We haven't had this in a while. Did you try the bread?
Yeah.
How'd you like it?
Bad.
Huh?
Bad.
Bad. Why?
It's bigger.
No, it's not.
It's dry.
It is dry.
Let me try it.
That's why you need the sauce.
Oh, I ain't want that much. Okay. Okay. What's your favorite Caribbean food? You like rice and peas? You like oxtails? I mean, you know, we don't eat we don't eat meat, so I just want to know from you, what do you like?
When I did eat meat, and I had the oxtail,
Mm-hmm.
it was fatty to me.
Really?
Like it wasn't like it was fatty.
Mm.
I like the goat. And the goat is good.
Mm-hmm. What does that taste like? Beef?
It's like a goat.
So how does a goat taste?
Thank you. Thank you, Lorraine.
Have you ever tasted an animal that's named a goat?
Beef?
Kind of like beef, but less. It was like beef with more chicken texture.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, is that true? Does goat meat have a chicken texture?
It does. It's not like tissuey like beef. So you don't have to break it down and stuff like that. Yeah.
I've never eaten goat before or oxtails.
Really?
I've always been, ever since I've been a child, ever since childhood, I've always been a picky eater. Like, really picky.
Oh yeah, guys. Today we are doing Would You Rather? Or Never Have
This is
Ever.
good. It's spicy.
Come on down.
Don't you hate when you want some ketchup and there's just like a little bit of ketchup in the bottle?
Oh, I hate when there was like a little bit of chips left. I'm like, nah, I can't have that. It's only a little bit.
You gotta bang it on your hand. You gotta bang it on the table. Yeah, and I went to the grocery store like I was telling you. I went to the grocery store the other day. I looked at the ketchup. Looked dead at it. And so, we don't need no ketchup. We don't need a drop of ketchup. Look.
Okay. Okay, guys, let's get into Would You
Yeah, hold on.
You just eating up all of them.
Don't pick up all of them.
They're like, I don't like this part.
Have some rice too.
No,
Should be
no,
nice and
no,
full.
I don't want the rice.
Why?
I just don't feel like having it.
Why?
I don't want it.
I don't like rice and peas either.
You don't like beans.
Or chickpeas.
None of that.
She don't like chickpeas, but she likes hummus. Go figure that.
That works.
Go figure that. Thank you.
She says that like 3 times a month.
Every time I buy some hummus, she want to dip her chip in my hummus. I thought you don't like chickpeas. Now go on. These are so good, but they're so filling. Oh my god.
What's that?
Look at my shrimp and look at your shrimp. Look at my shrimp and look at her shrimp. She gonna ask me if I want one of her little busy shrimp. But I'm giving her my big daddy shrimp. Okay?
I can't offer nothing else.
Boom. I took a piece of bread.
And a soft piece?
Get a piece of some sauce on it. I traded you a shrimp for a shrimp. I don't know that. That's a lot.
I guess 6 minutes.
Sorry, Lynn. I'm crossing over, Lynn. How rude.
Ooh.
Has peas in it, like ground up peas. That's the
That's called chana.
chana.
What did you say?
Hmm?
What did you say?
I say nothing.
You said chickpeas, like mine's so big.
Yeah. She like to bust down my hummus, y'all.
I don't.
That was
You
a
like ketchup, but you don't like tomatoes.
no. I like tomato. I guess it's the same thing. I like tomatoes, but I like a tomato soup. Right.
You don't like the tomato in its raw form.
Sometimes I'll eat it.
I don't like.
If it's thin enough, I don't like. Oh, I've been spitting it flew way across the table. I saw it fly and bounce over there.
Me too.
It's like,
You don't lie.
I don't like those thick slices. You know, you sometimes go to burger joints and they give you like those thick slices of a tomato,
Not good.
like this thick. That's too much for me. I want it this thin. You see how this top is? That thin. I can deal with it.
Like, I don't like tomatoes, but I like tomato soup. And
Excuse me.
I don't like tomatoes by itself.
Yeah.
I can do with ketchup.
Yeah. Yeah, of course, Lorraine likes to play games. Right. This is the game fanatic. During quarantine, we had to play a game every freaking Friday. We play, what games we play?
Uno,
Mm-hmm.
life,
We had 3 different versions of Uno. We had the Uno attack. That's what the machine.
dos,
That's what the machine you just press the machine. We had Uno dos
Uno flip,
and Uno flip. Okay. Then we had what? What else?
life, Monopoly.
We didn't have Monopoly. No.
Yeah.
We
I
did.
got it for my 7th birthday.
Huh?
Unicorn.
Oh, we had Monopoly, Life,
Scrabble.
Scrabble
Twister.
Junior, and then the big Scrabble too.
Mm-hmm.
Scrabble Junior and the regular Scrabble.
Twister.
But I took Twister back because Twister's board or whatever you call it. The mat was the mat felt like it was worth maybe 25 cents. Okay, it was just a very flimsy piece of plastic, so I took that back to the store. We had Twister.
Goldfish.
It's a fun game, but Goldfish, dominoes. What else?
Another goldfish. Pity pat.
We played Pay Pat. We played some everything. Jenga.
Oh yeah, Jenga.
Let me tell you. We play game on top of game on top of game on top of game on top of game.
The other scramble was not in quarantine.
Yes, it was.
It was on my birthday.
So we're gonna play
Never have I ever.
Never Have I Ever. You wanna start?
Mhm.
She wrote down her questions. I'm full.
Never have I ever ate my boogers. With hand. If we did.
So if we did it, do we raise our hand?
No, it's your fingers. So when you do it, you put one finger down.
Okay. So never have I ever ate my boogers?
No, don't just put a finger down. Let's raise our hand. If we didn't, we don't.
Okay, so if we didn't do it, we're not gonna raise our hand. We're not gonna do anything.
Mhm.
If we did do it, we just put our hand up.
Mhm.
Okay.
Have you did it?
No,
So-
you put down a finger.
No, I don't want to put down a finger. That would be too confusing.
How?
Like
And then
this.
when you reach 0, you're out the game. You don't know how to play.
Fine.
Y'all, what we doing here? What we doing? They have 2 different sets of rules.
Oh, let's just raise our hand. Not put our fingers down. Let's do it my way, okay?
Never have I ever eaten my boogers.
Yeah.
When I was a baby.
Yeah. I guess when I was a child.
Put down.
Put your hand up. Put your hand up, sis. Put your hand
No,
up.
I'm the judge.
Yeah, but
No.
you still gotta do it.
No, I don't.
Yes, you
Yeah.
do.
Fine.
Exactly.
You still did your boogers.
She thinks she's slick. You not slick.
You spit.
Okay. So, never have I ever lied to my mom.
No.
No.
I'm giving them the side eye. I'm giving them the strong side eye look. I have.
Never have I ever had to pee in public.
What?
Squat behind a tree and pee.
No. Yes.
Never have I ever had to squat behind a tree and pee.
Yeah, that was on Halloween.
I think every woman has done that. Yeah. When you gotta go, you gotta go.
Figure.
Are we putting our fingers or hands? Like what do we know? Are we
Put down our fingers.
you just have to go put up a hand. Make it that. Listen.
Let's just
Ma-
say I have. And I
I'm
have.
just gonna keep my hand up. Okay.
Okay.
I think everyone has.
Maybe?
When nature calls, you gotta do what you gotta do. Okay. So yes, I have.
Okay, my question.
Mhm.
Never have I ever went to school without my backpack.
What? No.
Like, just forgot it.
No. No. Then what's the point of you going to school then?
Exactly.
But you forgot about it.
Bang.
I haven't.
Okay. Never have I ever told my mom that the food tastes good, but it actually didn't.
No.
No.
What y'all think? They lying.
If it's not good, it's not good.
Well, yeah, they're pretty honest. You know, when something doesn't taste good, they don't fake the funk.
One time I told Mother the rice didn't really taste good. It tastes like a bit smushy.
I'll be like, not enough salt. You can put any salt in it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, they love some salt, man.
No, that's not true.
I don't like a whole bunch of salt. Mm-mm.
I love salt.
You don't put any salt.
I do use salt.
What?
I use very little salt.
No. She puts 1 grain.
1 grain.
She opens the top and then picks out 1 grain and then put it in it. And that's it.
Who's next?
You.
I'm with you. Go. You got one.
Okay. Never have I ever peed my pants.
Yes. In school.
You better put your hand up.
Then you had 2 lines.
I can't hold it like that. Oh, wait, no.
In public?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah.
never have I ever peed my pants in public. I have.
Wait. No, I haven't.
Lies! Lies! Yes, you have. Yes, you have. There's been a time you would just stand right there and just go.
Oh yeah, I actually did after school, and then I peed on the steps.
On what steps?
Like when we going in our building.
Oh, coming inside the building.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I thought you meant the school, like the school steps inside the building.
That would be so embarrassing.
Oh my god. Wow. Okay.
I would just run away. That's it.
Mm-hmm. All right. Never have I ever cried in front of my friends.
Mm-hmm.
You have? What about you?
No. Wait.
No, I haven't. No, I haven't.
There you go.
Who's lying?
No, I haven't.
Oh, it's my turn?
Who did you cry in front of?
My friend.
For what? What happened? What made you cry?
When I get frustrated, I could cry. Not because I'm sad.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, I did cry in front of my friends.
Oh, just like that for.
Wait, do you mean like in school in person?
Where?
Do you mean in school, like in person, when we're right in school?
Have you ever cried in front of your friends?
Yes, but I was off camera.
But then that don't count. I mean, like face to face, like this. Like you just.
No.
No, you haven't. Oh. Okay. So what made you so frustrated that you had to cry?
I forgot.
Well, and like on Zoom when I was, yeah, no, say it.
What? What made you cry? All right, she don't want to.
It's my turn.
All right, your turn. She don't want to spill the beans. What's it? She can't even be home writing.
Oh, never have I ever dipped a French fry in a milkshake.
That sounds nasty.
That sounds disgusting. That sounds real soggy.
People like it.
What people? You done that?
No?
At Wendy's, they buy the Frosties and then they get the fries and then they eat it.
I've never seen anyone do that.
Really?
You seen someone do that?
Yeah, they do that.
Yo, have y'all ever dipped your fries inside of a milkshake? Inside of a milk, period. Inside of anything other than a sauce, than a ketchup, or barbecue sauce, or sweet and sour. Have you ever dipped your fries in something other than a condiment? Okay, let us know.
Yes.
What'd you dip your fries?
French fries. I mean, Oh, ketchup.
No, the question is, have you ever dipped your fries into something other than a ketchup or barbecue sauce or sweet and sour sauce, things of that nature?
No.
Okay.
I think.
Next! Who's next? Me?
Okay.
That's it.
Never have I ever had a crush on somebody.
Have I ever had a crush on someone? Yes, I have. Yes, I have. What? You've had a crush on someone? Who you had a crush on? Spill the beans. The people want to know. The people want to know. Who did you have? Who did Brittany have a crush on?
A ghost named Lorraine.
So you gonna put your hand up?
Yeah, a ghost named Lorraine.
Okay. The person shall remain anonymous. Okay, she don't want to spill the beans. Okay, so your hand is going up?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, who'd you have a crush on?
Amir.
On some people.
Say the name.
You didn't even know who it was.
How many is some?
Like 3.
That's a lot of crushes. Wow.
Oh, wait, I'm lying.
More?
Yeah, like 3. But in middle school, though. I don't question nobody in high school.
Why?
Embarrassing?
I know every time we go
Oh, I didn't have to say that.
I know.
Oh, way too embarrassing on this video.
I know every time we go to a certain place and she sees a certain someone, she gets real giddy, right? She gets like stars and highs. You know, I'm not gonna put her too much on the spot, but she knows what I'm talking about.
She says, look at that cute boy.
No crush.
But I know someone. All right, my
There's a
turn.
man at Whole Foods. What?
Wow.
Okay. Never have I ever told my mom she looked pretty when she looked like a mess.
No.
Oh, okay. You would give me that kind of look like, do I want to say this or not?
No.
Okay,
You
no?
look like a mess.
Oh. Well, I try. I try. You know what I'm saying?
Well,
I try to keep myself together. What's
no.
your no?
No.
Okay, thank you. Listen, one thing I can say, they're pretty honest, right? If they don't like something, they'll say it off the bat. So,
except the crush one.
up,
Up in my head.
you spitting on me.
Goosebumps,
You
okay?
spit on me.
That's goosebumps.
Yeah, some people wouldn't be able to say that kind of honesty, but I think I'd rather you be honest than to lie. Right? You never look at liars the same way.
Excuse me.
Somebody tell her something right now. Whose turn is it?
Me.
Okay, go.
I have one in my head. Never have I ever kissed someone.
Well.
Except your mom. No. Well, one boy did.
Huh?
Well, one boy did.
Did what?
Kissed.
You? Oh, on the cheek.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
So the teacher.
That was last year. Then. No.
Bro. You can't go dropping names. Alright, who's next? Zay?
Okay. Never
Why
have I
can't-
ever. I don't know.
I'm gonna take one more bite of this shrimp.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
I should have wrote them down. I have no idea. You go.
No, wait. Never have I ever snuck in the kitchen in midnight and got a little midnight snack.
You sleep at midnight.
Exactly.
When your parents asleep and you're the only one awake.
You'd be too scared to go and get it.
Wow. I mean, the kitchen light is on. So.
Okay. Never have I ever said a bad word.
Nope. Ma only lets me say Hank.
Well, I'm sure you have said a bad word. Put your hands up.
Yeah, they said the SH word. Mm-hmm. She did.
That's not the word for dunk.
That sounds so crass.
I did say dunk, but that's not the bad word.
What Lorraine need to put her hand up because one time we were watching a movie, and this is why too. Sometimes you gotta be careful what you watch
No.
around young children. And she repeated something that someone said on the TV and didn't realize what she was saying. Okay. So she have said a bad word before,
I don't know.
mistakenly, but she have done it. Okay.
A couple times, because I don't know it.
A couple times. But now she know. I remember when I was younger, like maybe, I don't know, maybe like 13 or 14. And my cousin, I used to always go by my cousin's house to have sleepovers, or she'd come by my house and have a sleepover. We used to be like real tight. So my cousin, she had a potty mouth. I mean, at 14, 15, I mean, she was like, she was busting the curse words down. So I remember one time we was walking down the block or whatever, you know, just hanging out or whatever. And then she was like, how come you never curse? And I was like, I'm too scared to curse, right? So then she was like, just curse, just say something. And I was like, no, I'm scared. And she was like, just go ahead. I was like, are you gonna tell my mom, right? Because I was scared, you know.
And she did.
I was scared, right? I was like, are you gonna tell my mom? She's like, no, I'm not gonna tell your mother, right? And my mother, of course, my mother's her aunt, right? Was her aunt. But she's like, no, I'm not gonna tell her. So I was like, okay. Right? Oh, I
And she did tell her. Wait, are you gonna X that out?
I would have to find a way to edit that out. Sugar, honey, iced tea. That's what I said. Right.
Oh, now I know the words that begin with that bad word.
Yeah, right. I was like, sugar, honey, iced tea, right? And then I started saying this, and I started saying that, and she was like, yeah, this and that, and this and that, and I was just like, oh, okay.
And just started cursing now.
I just started cursing. But I was never one to actually use profanities, right? Like that, you know. I know how to get my point across without using those kind of words. Some people, they have that, like, they must say something. They must drop an F-bomb or this bomb or that bomb in order to try to get their point across.
Bomb.
Everything, right? Now, you know her being a teenager, and she's trying to front here talking about, I just said sugar, honey, iced tea.
Yeah, I heard her. I heard her on the phone.
Exactly.
She said that.
She's trying to front. But I could have swore I asked the question, never have I ever lied to my mom, and she didn't put her hand up.
But that was before.
Go figure that one. A lie is a lie. A lie is a lie. Okay?
I've done it one time.
Jay's the lie. She didn't even do it one time.
Exactly.
She did about 10. She did that.
Exactly.
She did about 10.
She's telling a whole lot of lies.
Yeah.
She's telling a whole lot of lies right now. Right?
Yeah, she did
Never,
about 10.
never have I ever snuck out of the house.
To go where?
I have.
Well, it wasn't a sneak, but like you told me to do it. Like I was pretending I was going to Disneyland.
Oh.
And then I came back. So do I raise my hand? Do I raise my hand?
No, you don't raise your hand. That was like a question I was just gonna throw out. You know, that wasn't like an actual question that I thought I was gonna get a response to.
Mm-hmm.
You know, a valid response. Lorraine, she's I don't know what's happening to her right now. She's having some sort of episode. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to
Like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification.
go. Thanks for watching.
And hit that notification bell.
Thanks for watching. Till next time.